Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So now again pick a card. So I shall give you a couple of seconds to select which card you want to take. Okay, so let's start with first set of cards. King of Pentacles and Prince of Pentacles. So here I would say it's a beautiful card, but again, when you see the King of Pentacles, he's holding on to the pentacle. Maybe you are holding on to certain emotions. Maybe you feel that things are not going the way it is happening. Maybe you feel there is a need of protection around you or your loved ones. But I would suggest that don't cling on to things or emotions which ultimately are of no use. Just let go of them. And if this is a lack of fear or lack of financial issues that is troubling you, then I would suggest don't even think about it and just surrender it to the divine. I'm sorry, I had to put a pause. So I would suggest just work with letting go of things that are troubling you, even if it is financial worries, because what I see is if you focus on it, you will get what you desire. And though you might feel that things are on a standstill, things are not moving forward, you might think you don't know what to do. Maybe what you can do is, for the next 3 days, offer some jaggery to the crows. Sorry, I didn't mean cow, to the crows. Offer some jaggery to the crows early in the morning. Chant the Shreem mantra 108 times every day, and offer either chrysanthemum or marigold or any yellow colored flowers to Lakshmi Mata, and I'm sure she will give you some good news. Now let's see what the abundance cards are saying. Bountiful nature. Now that's a beautiful card. See, every time God is ready to help you. It is just that sometimes we feel that there is no one to help us. We feel that things are not falling in place. So here, even in nature, a lot of things is that maybe you are not watering your thoughts here. When I say watering, I feel you are not working on your ideas, and that is why you're getting worked up and you're getting upset. The color today will be green, and I would suggest today, if possible, feed some poor person and get the blessings. Let us see what the card 2 has today. Alchemist, my favorite card, Princess of Pentacles. Magical day for you all, a day of alchemy. Magical day, things will go well. Be it work, be it finances, be it home, everything is going to go good. Just one thing I want to say here, sometimes when everything is good, we tend to, overestimate the day or become overconfident. So have an eye on what is happening around you also, because here the Prince of Pentacles says sometimes we just go with the flow and we don't understand what is happening. Though the day is good, though the day is abundant, but I would still suggest just have a look out or have a check on your finances, have a check on your personal life also. Though nothing will go wrong, but we should not feel why we didn't take the right decision or why we didn't do the right thing. Let's see what the abundance cards has to say for you. Okay, so maybe this was the indication to saying maybe there's an expense happening, and then you will wonder why you spent on that, or why did you even bother to invest on that. So have an eye for that. Today wear something in white, and today if possible in the morning burn a ghee lamp in front of whatever goddesses you pray. Put a cloud inside that ghee lamp, and also if possible keep 10 rupees in front of it and donate it to someone, or leave it somewhere where you know the lucky person will find it. Wherever you leave it, don't turn back and look, just walk away from there. Have a great and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.